which is why I can't speak that loud. We visited a lot of art galleries.
I'm sitting here wondering. I'm sitting here wondering.
So we walked into a gallery where they're really strict with filming and photos. I just found a picture of my favorite photographer, Chris Burkhardt here. It would be too obvious if I take a picture of it, but I'll blend it in here. So this whole area consists of things like gas leaks, old, broken factories,
I'm sitting here wondering.
more shabby factories,
I'm sitting here wondering.
So I realized I haven't said what I'm doing here or what this even is. So basically we're here in the 798, which is basically an area where there used to be a lot of factories. And now they function it back to sort of old rustical area with a lot of cafes, art galleries. So it's become an art district now. And it's quite famous in Beijing because it is easily one of the top 10 attractions in Beijing. It has this old, rustical, nice feeling, so I understand from the outside this might seem like a bunch of factories, like you have them in China, anywhere else, but but first let's set clear that these are all not functioning. So yeah, it's a very nice area, which you must definitely come and visit if you come to China. So yeah, this is 798, guys.
From above, everyday would seem turning into love song. Press me to your our world where roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday voice.